In my previous videos, I discussed the best programming languages for beginners and how you can choose which programming language to learn. Today, I want to follow that up with the top 7 programming and computer science books, because once you've selected the programming language to learn, the next challenge becomes figuring out how to effectively learn and master it. I've personally used most of these books during my academic studies as a computer science student, as well as for personal projects. While there are numerous resources available, books remains one of the best ways to learn programming for several reasons. They allow you to delve deep into ideas and concepts, providing a hands-on learning experience that enhances your retention. Now, I'm not suggesting that you should completely disregard other resources such as tutorials and courses. However, books offer a unique learning experience that shouldn't be overlooked. Without any further ado, I want to present some of the best programming and computer science books that I highly recommend. Number 1 is HTML and CSS, Design and Build Websites by John Daggett. This book provides an excellent foundation for web development, covering essential HTML and CSS concepts in a visual appealing way, which is important since it keeps you from getting bored while studying it. Interactive Front-End Web Development by the same author is another must-read. This book focuses on JavaScript and jQuery, enabling you to create dynamic and interactive websites. It's a great resource for mastering front-end web development. The third book is Experts Java by Kathy Sierra. As part of my computer science curriculum, I had to learn several programming languages. This is one of the books I used for Java. If you are interested in learning Java, this book offers a highly engaging and beginner-friendly approach to learn the language. It covers Java fundamentals and object-oriented programming concepts effectively. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, and tell me which programming language you are learning in the comments down below. Number 4, we've got Teach Yourself C++ by Sense Publishing. This book offers a self-paced learning experience for C++ programming. It covers the basics of C++ and gradually progresses to more advanced topics, making it suitable for beginners and intermediate learners. This is the book I used to learn C++ when I started programming. Coming from Python, C++ felt very hard to pick up, but this book simplified things a lot. We've got Computer Sciences, an Overview by J. Glenn Brookshire. If you want to gain a broad understanding of computer sciences, this book is an excellent choice. It provides an overview of various topics including algorithms, hardware, software, network, and more. This is one of the prescribed books for first-year computer science students at the University of Limpopo. For those looking to dive into Android development using Kotlin, we've got Programming Android with Kotlin. This book provides a comprehensive guide into Android development with Kotlin. It covers the essential concepts and frameworks needed to build robust Android applications. And last but not least, we've got Learn Python the Hard Way by Z.A. Shaw. This book takes a hands-on approach to teach Python, focusing on practical exercises and examples. It's a great choice for beginners looking to gain a solid foundation in Python programming. Books provide a valuable resource for learning programming. They allow you to learn at your own pace, implement ideas independently, and enhance your understanding and retention of programming concepts. So don't overlook the power of books in your learning journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more programming related content. Have a good one.